The amazing success of olives on rocky land. Amazing reality. A big good news for farmers and people associated with agriculture. Have you ever thought that olive trees can grow on hard, rocky, and barren land? In today's video, we are going to show you the reality that can bring a revolution in the world of agriculture. This video is especially for those who want to adopt modern methods in agriculture. If you also want to make the impossible possible, make the rocky land fertile and plant olive orchards. There should be an amazing increase in the production of land. Use natural resources to achieve success in agriculture. So this video is for you, because we will show you the dream of landowners who are actually changing. Part 1, Olive Harvest, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. That is what happens when God's will is fulfilled. I have Sayyidat Yusuf Shah with me today, who is the president of olives in the whole of Pakistan. Shah did the application here with his own hands. So we asked Shah that after this, what is the result of olives? Shah Sahab tell people, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think your product is very good. And I have seen two things in it. One is that it comes on fruiting about 2 weeks ago. Its growth is very good. The leaves are very good. And as you can see now, we have separated it 3 weeks ago. So far, we have separated it 3. So see, its buds are all tied up. Those that we have not separated, they are still very small. And the number of them is also high. It seems that this medicine will increase your fruit by 20 to 30%, and its quality will also be better. So all these things, we are thinking and working on it. Inshallah, there will be a boom in the olives sector. Inshallah, we will get a very good success. And those who will use it, inshallah, they will also increase. If Khalid Sahab closes it, then you see that the fruit is full on the stem, whichever stem you check, and you see all this. And Shah Sahab, you have also applied on a small plant. There are many small plants that have not been planted. Now some have 3 months, some have 5 months. After September, we have also cut 2 to 3 leaves from our plantation. So its result is also to be seen now, because if you look at it, it will also grow from bottom to top. How was it possible on hard soil? How did it happen? This place was once completely rocky. No one could have imagined that olive trees could grow here. But the Farmer Friend formula changed everything. After applying the Farmer Friend formula, a surprising change. Successful cultivation of olive trees in rocky soil. Extraordinary ability to keep moisture in the soil. Natural way to improve and grow the soil. How did all this happen? Watch the video till the end for full details. Part 2. Right now, Shah Sahab has another place. We go there and show you. These are our oldest plants, which are 2,600 years old, 12 to 13 years old. I have planted this plant on it. From the bottom to the top of the soil, I have planted it once on the ground and 3 times on the top. We will show you the result of that too. We will go and see it with Shah Sahab. Thank you, the amazing protection of olives. Today we have come to see the trees of olives, which are successfully growing on hard soil. Due to the Farmer Friend formula, the plants are growing fast. We are getting to see a lot of growth. Trees of the same size and standard olive are present everywhere. After giving spray and fertilizer, we have seen a surprising improvement in the trees. Now these trees have become healthier, stronger, more fruitful. After seeing all this, you will decide for yourself that this is the revolution of agriculture. Part 3. In the name of Allah. Now we have come to the second place where the application has been done and the spray has been done. Shah Sahab will show you what is the duration of those plants. Shah Sahab, please tell us. Alhamdulillah, look at the result. This is a variety called Arbutina. If you turn it all around, you will find one of the same size. If you look at it in the same quantity, show it on the leaves. This is the formula of the medicine. This has just happened 3 days ago, because it has been sprayed 3 times. Inshallah, this is a very good result. This is a great experiment for all of us. This is our weakness, and a very big weakness. Was this the first fruit planted? Yes, it was last year, but I don't think it was so good. I don't think there was any fruit. This is also the second fruit. These are the plants of 4 years. You can also see the second one, if you go that way. The application has been done. Come here too. I have planted the whole plant. It has grown well. You can see that it has grown. Shah Sahab, it was a small plant. The fruit is so much. Come here. Show this too. Come closer. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the fruit of the plant. Now show this one. Mashallah, all the plants have grown in this way. You can also go all four sides. It means that wherever there is sunlight, it will be good. It will be good on the backside, all four sides. This is the wonder of the spray. Mashallah, mashallah. Shah Sahab, once again, congratulations. Thank you, alhamdulillah. It is Allah's favor. Look, Mr. Khalid. Shah Sahab, come here. Mr. Khalid, I want to see all the people here. The person who is worthy, Allah will give him the gift. And Shah Sahab has done a lot for olives in this country. And alhamdulillah, he worked hard day and night. And Allah has sent us to him. And alhamdulillah, with his hands, it will spread all over Pakistan. And I want to give one more message, that olives, with our formula and with the guidance of Shah Sahab, you can plant it anywhere in Pakistan. There is no problem with it. There is no problem. And alhamdulillah, we will plant it for you. And not just for this. Any kind of plant, any kind of fruit plant, we can plant it for you with our formula. And one more thing, Shah Sahab is also standing next to me. All the people who are planting their gardens at this time, what happens in it is that its roots are up to a limit. As far as you have dug, its roots spread there. Its roots do not go below it. So what happens with our formula is that when we put our formula down, so the bacteria are active and they soften the ground down to 5 to 6 feet, because of which the roots go down, and its life of the plant increases, and the number of fruits also increases. So you and me and Shah Sahab, if you need any advice, if you need any help, we are here for our country, for you. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you so much. This is not our success. This is the success of this country. This is the happiness of Pakistan. It is a blessing that people like you brought this thing. And in our hands, and inshallah, we will try, as far as it can go in Pakistan, as far as it can spread. This is Corona. Mashallah. See how it is also filled. Mashallah. And this is the benefit of this. That means this week, 2 weeks, 15 days, it will come early. Now he was showing the video of grapes. So now those plants are on flowering, okay? Now wherever they have not removed all the leaves, I have not taken out the branch, and after this application, they have come to the fruiting stage, 9:59. And we will share the video tomorrow. I will put it on Facebook. All the farmers will try. What is the date today? Today is the 16th March. 16th March, 2018. Thank you. Revolution in agriculture. This success is not only of one farmer, but a revolutionary step in the world of agriculture. Do you also want your land to be fertile and increased in production? Water should be kept safe in the ground for a long time. 1035. More crops and less cost. Then you also need to adopt modern agricultural techniques. In this video, the real reality of olive trees is in front of you. See and decide for yourself. Part 4. The correct use of Allahu Akbar's tasbih and formula. The secret of success is not just hard work, but to adopt the right method. Mix 5 liters of Farmer's Friend formula in 220 liters of water. Read the tasbih of Allahu Akbar and mix it well. Plant a stick of wood firmly in the ground and read the tasbih of Allahu Akbar on it. Do take special prayers from Syed Babar Hussein Bukhari. This is the way that revolutionized agriculture. The decision is yours. Is the formula really increasing the fertility of the land? Now it's time for you to decide for yourself. Can the formula really bring success in agriculture? Can it be effective on all kinds of land? Do you also want to see your land fertile and successful? This is the result of 25 years of hard work, research, and the power of Allahu Akbar. If you also want to increase the fertility and productivity of your land, then try the Farmer's Friend formula. Consult Syed Babar Hussein Bukhari directly and take steps for the betterment of your land. Watch the complete video, decide for yourself, and be a part of the list of successful farmers. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. At this time, we are in Kohota on the farm of General Tariq Abdul Sahib, 1205. Malik Asha Sahib is with me, who is also the PA of General Sahib. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. And with me is Maksud Bhai. You all know Maksud Bhai. I would like to ask Malik Sahib, when did we plant olive trees here? And how long has it been? And how is their growth going? And how are you feeling about it? And what were the views of all the agricultural departments that visited? And Alhamdulillah, from the day we planted the trees till today, our own formula is being read on it. Our own protocols are being used. And Alhamdulillah, on these stones, on these mountains, where no one could think of anything. And Alhamdulillah, the growth of olive trees has been very good. And now we have started a new organization. We have started planting gawa, seedless lemons, and grapes in it. Malik Sahib, would you like to say something? Yes, we have planted about 1,400 plants, and we have planted it in April 2018. That is, it is about 1.5 years old. And mashallah, its growth is 5 feet, 6 feet, 5.5 feet, according to this. The one that was planted in the beginning is big. The one that was planted in the middle is a little small, but the maximum growth is up to 5 feet. And whoever has come and seen it, and the agriculturists are amazed that you have planted such a great olive tree in this place. When we planted it in the beginning, we also put a formula in the pits. Baba Shah Sahib gave it to us. After that, we have been spraying it continuously. We have done a lot of application on it, mashallah, and the growth is very good. So Malik Sahib, which departments have come to you from agriculture? We have also come to NARC from NARC, and the office of Barani Chakwal. NARC Islamabad is the office. A person came from there, he checked. He also said that I have not seen such good plants at such a young age. Similarly, the one who has come from Barani Chakwal, he also praised our plants. He said that you have done a great look after it. We said that we have only read Shah Sahib's prayers in his formula. Otherwise, our place is not so good. We believe it, because there is a mountain, there are stones below, it is a hard place. So you see the result, and I want to do this for my mullah. A lot of my videos have come before, in many such places like the plants we have grown in the sand. We just want to make our Pakistan a green country, and when our Pakistan will become a green country and is an agricultural base. So it was my desire from the beginning that everywhere are fruits, olives, and all kinds of such fruitful plants, from which income also comes, and our country should be like a green country, and the world should accept this country. Inshallah, I need your prayers, and I need your support, and for me, for Mr. Malik, and for this place too, you all pray. May Allah give us more blessings in this, and by making this model farm beautiful, we will be able to make all the mountains green. Thank you very much. And show all this now, Mr. Khalid. And Alhamdulillah, Mr. Malik. Mr. Khalid, when we put sweet, sweet lemon in it, and after that, we will put gawa in it, its beauty will be even more beautiful, inshallah. We will work hard. No, you have worked very hard. If you don't work hard, the gold that we give, it cannot be developed. Now, as we have started to make its model, the plants will be a very small size, and there will be a lot of fruits on it. It will be an example of beauty. Thank you, Mr. Khalid, and show all the stones from this mountain. Thank you very much. May Allah bless you. Now we want to show you a little bit like this. See the growth of this plant. All of this, Mr. Khalid. And after that, show the place where we were sitting and show the whole mountain from here. Now, if you show it from here, you will see that you can see more stones, and you can't see the olive plants at all. And when we were sitting at that point, sitting from the top of that place, you can see the olive plants. And now you will see how much stone is there. And all the stones are stones. 1655. May Allah keep giving us success like this, and we succeed in greening our country. And every person who has any land should develop it. And after developing it, his livelihood should start from it. Thank you very much. Long live Pakistan.